How to lock any apps on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can lock apps on your iPhone. So to do that, first of all, open the shortcuts app on your iPhone, and once you've done that, simply tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now you will be taken to this page where first of all you'll have to name your new shortcut. So simply I'll name it Instagram since I'll lock Instagram in this video. Now once you've done that, tap on the option add action. After that, search for the action ask, and now tap on the option ask for input. Now where it says text, simply tap on it and then choose number. After that, in the prompt, simply type in password question mark. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the option if, and then where it says condition, simply tap on it and then tap on the option is. After that, where it says number, simply enter the password you'd like to be. So for this example, I'll simply choose 5858. Now once you've done that, tap on the option done. After that, search for apps in action, and here type in open and then tap on the option open app. Now in the app, simply choose the app which you want to lock. So for this example, I'll simply choose Instagram. Now long press on this and then drag it just under if and just above otherwise. Now simply tap on the option done. After that, tap on these three dots and then tap on this arrow icon down right over here. Now you'll have to tap on the option add to home screen, and now select the Instagram's photo. So simply choose photo and then enter it over here. Now tap on the option choose and then tap on the option add. Now I currently messed up my image, but once you tap on the option open and then enter the password which was 5858 and then tap on the option done, it will open Instagram. So that is basically how you lock any apps on your iPhone. And there you have it. That is basically how you lock any apps on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.